So it is finally starting to be warm enough to plant our pepper seeds and really get them going. We did a first round of peppers. We got some really good looking serranos started, as well as some Hungarian hot wax peppers and some Anaheims and a few other pepper types, but a lot of them were not handling the cold very well, the cool nights that we were still having, and after the greenhouse collapsed inside, I did not really have a whole lot of space to put them somewhere warm. But now we're trying again. So after last year's pepper success, we've decided to venture into something a little bit crazier. Bobby ordered these bad boys on Amazon. We're going to try them out. If you're unfamiliar with hot peppers, these are also known as ghost peppers. They were the 2017 hottest pepper of the year. And they're like 2 million on the Scoville, something crazy. And I cannot find my latex gloves, so I'm actually going to be handling these with my bare hands, which I'm a little afraid of, but I'm going to do it anyway. These seeds came from Sherwood Seeds via Amazon, and their seeds are guaranteed, so if these don't germinate, they will send us some new ones, which is really awesome. They also give you some really good information and instructions on growing them, and they can actually take like up to 30 days to germinate for the really, really hot peppers, which I was not aware of. So I'm curious if the capsaicin level in the seeds is what causes them to take so long to germinate, because most peppers germinate like in 7 to 10 days. So it'll be really interesting to see how long these actually do take to germinate. I'm going to plant them right now in this box with all of these other peppers that I've started. And we'll see what happens. So the seeds are actually packed inside a plastic baggie in the envelope. So I'm hoping I'll be able to just shake them out into the pods and then push them down into the soil without having to actually touch them. All right, there they are. They're now planted, and we will put the top on of our seed starting box, and we'll see what happens. I will update you when they start sprouting.